Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload your project to GitHub and get a live link. This is incredibly useful because it allows you to host your website for free and share it with anyone through a simple URL. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need these to access your GitHub dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Take a look at the left panel where you'll see various navigation options. Go ahead and click on New. This button is your starting point for creating a new repository, which is essentially a folder that will hold all your project files. Now you'll need to give your repository a name. Type in a clear descriptive name that represents your project, then click Create Repository. This sets up the space where your files will live on GitHub servers. Next, it's time to add your project files. Look for the option that says Uploading an existing file and click on it. This will open up a file selection window. Click Choose Your Files, which allows you to browse through your computer's directories. Select the file or files you want to upload, then click Open. Your files will begin uploading to the repository. Once your files have finished uploading, you'll see a button labeled Commit Changes. Click this to confirm and save your uploaded files to the repository. This step officially adds your project to GitHub's version control system. Now we need to make your project live on the web. In the top toolbar of your repository page, click on Settings. This is where you can configure various aspects of your repository, including deployment options. In the left sidebar of the Settings page, locate and click on Pages. This section is specifically designed for publishing your repository as a live website. You'll see an option labeled Source. Click the drop-down menu directly below it, and from the options that appear, select GitHub Actions. This is the modern method GitHub uses to deploy websites, offering more flexibility and automation. As you scroll down, you'll notice a section called Static HTML. Click the Configure button next to it. This will open a configuration file that tells GitHub how to build and deploy your site. In the upper right corner of this configuration screen, click Commit Changes. A confirmation dialog will appear, so click Commit Changes again to finalize this setup. GitHub will now begin the process of building and deploying your website, which may take a minute or two. Head back to the top toolbar and click Settings again, then return to Pages in the left sidebar. This time you should see a notification that says your site is live, along with a URL. Click Visit Site to open your newly published website in a new tab. And there you have it, your project is now live on GitHub and accessible to anyone with the link. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.